What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your battery saving mode. So firstly what you want to do is to be on desktop, and you can either go to battery saving mode by clicking on here, and as you can see here you have the battery saver, and if you click on it, as you can see now it's enabled, and if you again click on it you can disable it. Now it's disabled. As you can see, this is the first way to enable and disable the battery saver, and the second way is by going to the Windows search bar, and here you're going to search for settings, then you're going to go to settings, and now you're going to go to battery. You're going to go to turn battery saver on or off, and as you can see here at power battery we have the option to turn on now the battery saver. So if you do that, as you can see, the battery saver is now on our laptop, and to turn it off all you have to do is to click on here, or you can disable it by here. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.